Assalamu alaikum everybody. A very good morning to you all. Today I would like to talk about how to introduce yourself very simple way. So for that you have to listen this video carefully. If you listen this video carefully and watch, I think you will understand how to introduce yourself very simple way. Okay, let's start. If you want to introduce yourself very simple way, for that you have to stand in front of the people or in front of the audience. Then you have to say, Assalamu alaikum everybody, a very good morning to you all, or a very good night to you all, or a very good noon to you all, or a very good evening to you all, or a very good afternoon to you all. You can say anything. What is the right time? That time you can say anything. Okay? Then you have to say, this is Arif Rabbani. You have to say your full name. This is Arif Rabbani. You can call me just Arif. It's a nickname. You have to use the nickname second time. Okay? This is Arif Rabbani. You can call me just Arif. I'm from Raghunathpur. You have to say your village name. I'm from Raghunathpur. That is my hometown. Hometown means the place. Place and hometown the same thing, but hometown is very advanced English. I'm from Raghunathpur. That is my hometown. I have completed SSC in 2018. You have to say your experience of studies. I have completed SSC in 2018 from Binod Bari Mankun Dakhil Madrasa and SSC from Abbasiya Kamil Madrasa at Muktagasa in 2020. Then if you want to say something, you can say something, or simple way you can say that's all, or that's it. In this simple way you can present yourself in front of the people or in front of the audience. This is the simple way to introduce yourself in front of the people. And if you wanna say something more, you have to say your about your future plan, and you have to say your hobby, then your favorite food, favorite color, and your like and dislike, and your strengths, your weakness. You have to say many things. If you wanna add more, that will be advanced, and that will be for job presentation and job interview. And I will make a video for you next time how to you will introduce yourself for job interview. So that's all today, and see you next time. Okay, bye. Thank you so much.